Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I make learning simple, practical, and fun. If you are new here, I am GentleCoder, and in today's class, we will continue our journey in HTML, which is the building block of every website. So, before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We have got a lot of exciting lessons ahead, including real projects. So this class we learn the basics of HTML, including how to use tags like P for writing paragraph, the header and line break, horizontal, bold, strong, and some other tag. Now, in today's tutorial, we will be talking things a little further. We are going to explore the anchor tag, which is for creating links, and list, both ordered lists and unordered lists, and grouping tags also, and the block quote, which is for quotations. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to create neat, organized, and clickable web pages using these new tags. Let's begin with the anchor tag. This tag helps us to link one page to another. For example, for linking your own page to your about page, or linking an external site to your own website. So that's what the anchor tag is just used like for clickable links. So this is the syntax for an anchor tag, like for embedding links in your website. So while this is where you're going to put the URL or the page you want to link, and this will be the text that will be displayed on your web page. So let us try it out now. So the href here means hyperlink reference. So this is the place we are going to input our URL, our link, while this is the place we are going to put the text we want to display. So let's try this out now. So this is my YouTube channel link. Let me repeat. GentleCoder YouTube channel. So then let's save it and we'll preview it using this. So this is the link, the text link. So once we click on it, it will take us to the YouTube channel. Let's try this now. It's loading, so it will display. I hope you can see this now. So this is for inputting link. Now to make the link open in a new browser, we add this attribute target blank to it. We add this to it if you want it to open in a new browser. So now let us try it. So let's save this and preview it. So once we click this, take us to a new browser or the main app. So the anchor tags allow you to connect your web page, create navigation menus, and even link files to files and even link your files and PDF and others. So that's all on anchor tags for today. So you can try that out alone or ask any question if you have in the YouTube channel. So now we'll be going to lists. So now we'll be going to list in HTML. So HTML have two types of lists we display, which is unordered list and ordered lists. So each item in a list is placed inside an li tag. So the unordered lists use bullet points, as you can see here. This is the code, while this is the output. This is the output, which uses bullet points. So that's what unordered lists mean. It is not ordered, while ordered lists use numbers or alphabets, but I'll explain everything right. So now li, the tag li means list item. While ul means unordered lists. And ol means ordered list. Create a list, we use the li, which we would now input it either in ul if you want unordered list or ol if you want ordered list. So let's try this out to create an unordered list first. So to create an unordered list, we use the ul tag. So inside it, we now put each list. So another one, mango, tomatoes, carrots. So let's preview this firstly now. As you can see, it's created an unordered list which use bullet points. So let's try for ordered lists now. So to use for ordered list, once we change this u to ol, which tells us it is an ordered list. Once we preview it now, it will change to numbers counting. Which is ordered 1, 2, 3. So whenever your items have order or sequence, like steps or rankings, you use ol. When they don't have specific order, use ul, which is unordered list. So that's all for lists for now. We will explain advanced ones, probably alphabets and others